Hello, my name is Lara Nicosia, and I'm the Outreach Librarian for the History and Religion and Classics departments here at the University of Rochester. This quick video is going to show you how to find and access ebooks in U of R's collection, even if you're off campus. If you're looking for books for a project or need more sources for an assignment, then you'll definitely want to stick around. This video is for you. To search for ebooks, go to the library's homepage and type in a topic such as penguins and climate change, and then click the magnifying glass to search. Once you see your list of search results, you're going to need to limit your search to ebooks specifically. To do this, you want to use the options on the left-hand side to narrow your search to book/ebooks and full text online. This will limit the number of results specifically to books that you can access electronically. If you see a title that looks interesting, you can click on the title, or you can click here where it says ebook full text online to access the full book. Once you do this, if you're off campus, you're going to be asked to log in with your U of R net ID and password. Your other option for ebooks is to go directly into one of our ebook collections. This strategy can work well for some of our more discipline-specific ebook packages. Starting again on the library's homepage, select Databases from the drop-down menu and click the magnifying glass to search. This will take you to a list of all of the databases available through U of R libraries. From the All Database Types menu up top, select eBooks. Here you'll be able to see all of the databases we've identified as having ebook collections. I hope this video helped you better understand how to find and access ebooks in U of R's collection. Remember, all of the River Campus librarians are happy to help, so if you have any questions, please reach out. You can find the contact information for our outreach librarians under the Get Help section on the library's homepage. Thanks, and good luck with your research.